Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record anything on your computer screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether it is a window or an application or a web page displayed on the computer screen, you could use Microsoft PowerPoint to record the screen, and you could either make a presentation or create a video out of the recording. So let's get into this right away. To begin, you need to open the Microsoft PowerPoint app installed in your computer. Once the PowerPoint is opened, you select the Insert option from the menu bar. Once the Insert toolbar is displayed, you select the screen recording located at the right end of the Insert toolbar. So this is the screen recording. So once you hit the screen recording, a dialog box pops up, and this is the dialog box. In the dialog box, you have the button to start recording, and this button to stop your recording, this audio button to toggle your voice in, and you have this record pointer to capture your mouse pointer during recording. This select area button is the button to select the area you want to record on your computer screen. So this button allows you to close the screen recording, and once you click on it, it takes you back to the Microsoft PowerPoint environment. So let's go back to the screen we want to record. You select the area you want to record. And once you're happy with the area you want to record, you can start the recording. Again, quickly before we make progress, let me pause this and show you something. You could also use the shortkeys to navigate through any of these options. So to stop, start recording, you could use the Windows Shift button and the arrow key all together. To stop recording, you could use the Windows key, Shift button, and key together. And to toggle the audio, you could use the Windows key, Shift button, and U on the keyboard. And to make your mouse pointer to be captured, you could use the Windows key, Shift, and the O button. So let's go back to record. So we are now recording our screen. I'm just going to go to a browser, and this is the weather forecast, and I could say, let me look at why is it raining so much and when will it stop. And I finished reading, blah blah blah, and I'm now okay with my video recording. So I want to stop this recording now. I click on my window key, Shift, and tap the Q button all together. So immediately PowerPoint renders this video that we've done on the Microsoft PowerPoint environment. So in this environment, we can now play. So we are now recording our screen. I'm just gonna go to a browser, play the video, and all that I
This
did
is
here.
the weather forecast, and I could say, let me look at why
And
is it raining so much.
once you're happy with the video, you could customize the video. You see here video format. You could customize the video to however you want the video to show for you. You could change the color of the video, the background. You could change it that way, or you could select this and it changes. You could move the screen. So I'm gonna go back to the former one. You could add a poster frame, so the poster frame would allow you set the kind of picture you want to see on the screen before the video starts playing. So let's say I select maybe a poster frame like this. So this is going to show before the video starts playing, and once you click on the play button, and then the video
So
continues
we are
playing.
now.
Yeah. Again, what else can you do? You can change the video style here, whatever style that is of interest to you. You could click on that style, and yeah, you could also crop. Let's say you have some side of the video that you're not happy with. You could crop, and some part of the screen that you're not okay with, and yeah, and once you're done, you could also go to the playback button here. You could trim the video if you have any part of the video that you are not happy with. You could trim, maybe at the beginning or towards the end you stayed too long. You could trim, and once you're happy, you click on the OK button. You could also change the volume to low, medium, and lots of things you can do within this Microsoft environment. And then once you're happy, you could also add animations, you could do different designs, and the same experience you have when you're in a Microsoft environment, you could add all those to the video. And once you're happy with the video, you can now either save this video in any format. You can save it in PDF, you can save it in PowerPoint, you can also export it as video file. So I can decide to save as PDF here. You click here and you create a PDF file. If you want to create a video out of it, you can also create an animated GIF from this. And so in this case, I want to create a video out of this recording. So I'm going to click on the create a video, and this dialog box comes up. You select what format you want it, the video to be. I'm going to choose full HD. You could choose any. And then I'll click quickly on create video. Then immediately it will prompt me to say, where do I want to save this video? I want this video saved on my desktop, so I want to call it PowerPoint video, PowerPoint video. And I'm gonna save it, and immediately you see Microsoft PowerPoint begins to process this video depending on the size. It's going to start processing it, so we just have to wait a little to see it process, and once it finishes processing, it's going to save on the desktop that we have selected for it to be saved. So it's now processing. To save our time, I'm going to fast track this part of the video, so it will just finish processing. So the processing is finished now. I can close this. Okay, I can save this as a presentation file also. So let me save this as a presentation file. So you see what it looks like. So it's, the presentation file is now saved. I can close this environment, and then I'll go play the video. So this is the video. I play it.
So we are now recording our screen. I'm just gonna go a browser, and this is the weather forecast, and I
And
could
then
say,
once you're
let
happy
me
with the
look at why
video,
is it raining so
I'm
much
gonna
and
pause
when
it
will it.
now. Once you're happy with the video, you could decide to do whatever you want with the video. You could decide to either upload the video on YouTube if you want to put it on YouTube, or you could save the video in your archive, depending on what you want to do with the video. And this is how you can record your computer screen using your Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. and I hope you find this video useful. If you did, please feel free to let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and give the video a thumbs up by clicking on the like button. If you'd want to get the notification on my next video, please subscribe and hit the notification button. See you in my next video. Bye for now.